Okay guys, let's tone my hair. Good morning. Okay. So of course, I lifted my hair yesterday using Ion Brilliance this is the Sally's brand with 20 developer. I had 10, but I wanted it to speed up just a little bit. So I went and got me, I don't know where my developer is. I think I put it away. I got 20 developer. Okay. Bought this. This is the 10, but I used the 20 yesterday. There was no burning. I was able to keep it on for an hour. I lifted it twice. I was able to keep it on for an hour both times because I got this protect scalp, sensitive scalp oil thing to put on your hair from Sally's. My mom told me to get that and it worked like a charm. Oh shoot, I have a mask on. Okay. I'm supposed to join the live like in an hour. Okay, so I did that. So now we're gonna tone. Oh, I have to get my 20 developer. From Sally's. If you have self-sensitive scalp, this is it. The quick blue, like I can use it, but that's only if I'm going from like black to blonde. Other than that, I'm good with this. This lifts up to sorry, this and this. I'm good. This lifts up to 7 or 8. Up to 8 levels. You're good with this. Sensitive scalp. I also picked up this. You can put this on. This makes sure it's an even tone all around. So it's pre-color treatment. So I did that. So I got my developer. So I'm going to be using 2 of these for the toner. And then 2 scoops of developer. Listen. 2 to 1 or 2? Don't 2. I lifted it twice and this is what I got. Some of y'all on here, when y'all be lifting, y'all don't need to tone. And that's what I'm trying to get to. I did have another victory yesterday as well because usually I can't lift twice in one day. Usually I have to lift once, and then the next day do another lift and a tone. But I was able to lift twice yesterday. And then now we're gonna tone this morning. Okay? Cause this place is so we're gonna do that. Okay, but before I do that, I'm gonna be basing my scalp with some, because that toner be burning too. Okay? I'm gonna base my scalp with this coconut oil. This is from Kaleidoscope. It's just coconut oil. And then, you know, because I can't, it needs to stay for 20 minutes because I see the yellow. And I don't want to see the yellow. You understand what I'm saying, saints? Saints, you understand what I'm saying? I don't want to see it. Okay? I don't want to see any yellow. So we're gonna, and the back was burning closer to the hour mark. That's when it started burning. But you know what? I've never been able to keep it in for an hour both times. You understand what I'm saying? Now this Kaleidoscope coconut oil, I got at Winners, y'all. I told you. Don't be sleeping on Winners. Okay. And then maybe I should put this around the edges. Because I don't, like, I don't want any burning. Like, you understand what I'm saying? See, like right here? No. This needs to stay in for 20 minutes, y'all. It has to. Like, I'm sorry, it has to. Let me just get some petroleum jelly for the ears. Okay. I watch several videos on bleaching your hair at home to try to get it to platinum or as close to platinum as you can. And so when I started bleaching my hair earlier this year, I think I started, was it this year? Yeah, this year, before the summer. I was using the whole bottle, y'all. The whole bottle. Do you know how much money I would be buying this 2 and 3 at a time? I went all the way to Mississauga to pick up more because my local beauty supply store ran out of T18. Mississauga. Listen, how much money I wasted. Woo! Okay. So this is 1 tablespoon, y'all. Okay. And no, I don't use this in the kitchen. This is specifically for dyeing my hair, for bleaching my hair. Okay? So don't even... I'll be able to do this again in like a couple weeks. Watch. See? Still more in there. The whole bottle. Now I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of developer. Going to develop. Right? Then we're gonna mix. Mix this. Okay. And I think I'll put it on and use my hands because this brush thing, no, it not work. Let me make sure. You know what? Maybe I need to do another tablespoon because I don't know if that's enough. Because my hand is big. Big head. Okay, so, you know, next week I'll just have to buy another. Let's buy another one. I'll have to go for a while. Y'all, did I tell you the drama how I'm supposed to get my hair cut up, faded up yesterday? Barber canceled. Not impressed, people. Okay, we have it. Okay, we have it. We get the consistency. Okay, people. Yes, my dear. Time for tune up. Oh, listen. I only have triple X, maybe quadruple X processing caps. No, it's not working, guys. It's not working. I pick up the wrong thing at the beauty supply store, so I don't even think I'm gonna bother put on a cap today. I don't even think I'm gonna put on a cap, but we'll see. 20 minutes is all I need. All I need is 20 minutes of your time. If it starts to burn, Lord of His mercy. People, you can use a brush, y'all. Saturate. See? I feel the tingling down there at the bottom somewhere, man. No, sir. No, baby. We have to rebuke the burning today. Jesus. Yeah, guy. Oh, God. Ooh. Oh, God. Not in my ears. Woody. Yeah, because let me tell you something. 20 minutes. This has to tone. I'm sorry, I'm not. Yeah. Okay, it's evenly spread out. There are parts of the back here that are already, see, it's already starting to turn a little purple there. So it's 9:44 at like 10:14. No, not even. So 9:45, so let's say 10:05. 10:04, we'll take this out. Right? But you have to tone up my youth. There we go. It's already starting to. Okay. See y'all in a bit. Okay, see? I got it. Can y'all see that? Yeah. But we'll see. Oh, battery dying. Okay guys, welcome back. So after toning my hair, this is how it came out. I don't know how I feel about it. Let's see. Maybe this lighting is too much. How does it look under the light? Oh. How does that look? Okay, I've had it where it's actually been platinum and I don't remember what I did to get it that color. So still a work in progress for me, but so far it's not where it was yesterday or early this morning. So, but I just want to mention that whenever I bleach my hair and tone it, I use this Maui, this Maui leave-in treatment. Cocoa is what? Maui Moisture Hair Care Revive and Hydrate Shea Butter Hair Mask. Okay, I use that. Keep it in after I shampoo. Just keep it in your hair for 5 minutes. You can also leave it, use it as a leave-in, but I haven't done that yet. But I do this, yeah. So I just wanted to add that for you. So I'm okay with this for now. Well, till next time, and maybe I'll get it right. Who knows? But until then, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to meet me in the comments. Please, if you're a blondie, okay, and if you're bald blondie, okay, please leave me some tips in the comments about some products, techniques. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe it's my timing. Maybe it's the wrong product. I don't know. Help a sister out, okay? So, yeah. Again, until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And see you soon. Bye. God bless. Bye.